up, guys? Had to take a time out, fix the kids something to eat real quick.
What you doing though?
I just finished. Well, I had just worked out. Still working out. Got to get back on the treadmill for another probably about 15-30 minutes.
Why are you talking like that?
But yeah, it's Friday. Normally I don't work out on Friday, but over Thanksgiving break, I really didn't get to work out, and I missed like 3 or 4 days in a row. So I'm just trying to make up. Cam, I think this dude trying to let the dog out.
Don't let him out.
Look at this girl. Look at her, trying to look good for me. Fix her hair in the mirror.
I just worked out too,
yeah,
so my hair got messed up. It looked better. Didn't it look better at first, mommy?
She trying to look good for me.
No, I'm not.
Hi. Okay? Cam, you gonna say hello?
Hi. Say hi again, buddy. Say hi. Why you let him out?
Huh?
CJ always leave his coats and stuff on my chair. The kids had just woke up from a nap. So needless to say, they're gonna be up all night. Yeah, I'm gonna have to roll this back up. I'm gonna say, we bought Taylor a new car seat. Well, booster seat. She wanted another one. She was like, she doesn't know how to get her, Lord. She doesn't know how to get herself out of her car seat yet. So she hated the other car seat, and she's like, listen, like, I'm getting old now. Can y'all give me a new booster seat or something so I can use the regular seat belt? So I checked the weight and stuff, and she's at the weight limit to be able to ride in a booster seat. So we got her one. Come on, crew. Come on, crew. I have a call in like 10 minutes. These girls playing with me. Where's crew, babe? Come, crew. Come. 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 But he not listening. Crew. Come. Oh, don't try and get up now because you see your dad looking. Come. I need to clean his eyes. For y'all dog moms, do y'all have tips on cleaning dogs' eyes out? Like, what do you use? I've just been using a washcloth, like a wet washcloth. Come on, crew. Go potty. There's the bugs out here because of these lights. Come on. Is it raining or something? You know it's raining. Oh, it looks pretty. He's pottying. I did get some questions on like the type of dog that Crew is. He's a Yorkie Poo. He's a Yorkie Poo. I had never heard of Yorkie Poos before, but he was the cutest thing I'd ever seen in my life, and I couldn't pass up on him. I was so nervous because we had put the deposit down on the golden doodle, so I was nervous the whole time. Like the day we were waiting to go see the dogs, I was nervous that somebody was gonna see Crew and take him, but he was still there. So whew, I'm out of breath, y'all. I just finished working out. Crew, are you finished? Potty, Crew. CJ said I'm be coming outside with him long enough, but he has not pottied in the house for the last 2 days. So I've been doing good, and this is like while CJ's at work. I'm gonna need CJ to cut down these bushes. I'm gonna have to tell him as soon as I go in the house, or I'm gonna forget. Like, y'all see what I'm talking about? This part right here, like all that got to go. Like it should. Y'all see that? Like the bushes need a haircut. Period. Come on, Crew, let's go. Come on. Y'all, sometimes he stops on the top step and I get nervous like he's gonna fall backwards, but he never does. All right, I gotta call in 1 minute. I'll be back.
Hi.
Come on.
You wanna talk to him?
Hi.
Yeah.
You need to eat dinner. They're getting their vegetables. CJ's making the vegetables right now.
Bro, stop.
Go ahead and eat. Thing 1, thing 2. Dinky knows about the things, don't you? Get up there and eat. They can see y'all, huh?
Hi.
What do y'all want to talk about?
Talk about.
What do y'all want to talk about? You want to have a dialogue? Isn't that one of your words?
Yeah.
Dialogue?
Talk, I know.
Yeah. What's wrong with you? Why are you covering your face? Peekaboo. I see Camden. Peekaboo.
You have to say right, Taylor? What is it? E? Say right, Taylor. Say right, Taylor?
He already said it. Your hair look dry. Camden. Y'all see that? He just dropped food behind his head so Crew can eat it. Don't do that. Bae. Camden. Yeah, he is eating your food because you just dropped it behind your head. I saw you. Bae. He dropping food behind his head.
Mommy, today.
Are they hands straight? The arms straight?
Yeah, their hands straight.
Stop, Crew.
Crew.
Stop.
15 seconds, babe. Hold the cord tight, babe.
Stop, Crew.
4, 3, 2, 1. Relax.
One of my customers sent me this. What do you say? Y'all, Taylor loves these cake pops so much from Starbucks. I actually ordered it yesterday. I forgot to give it to her.
You need to try this.
No, they don't. Say, we trying to get our body right for the new year. Okay, I'm about to eat dinner. I don't know. Cam is playing drums in the garage. He's playing drums. I think I'm about to eat the salad. Oops. And this is the dressing I use. I don't have a cake pop, baby. You've never had one before. I didn't know you wanted one. You want a treat too? Tell guys, say I want a treat too. I don't have one for you, buddy. Come here. Let's see. So let's see. So let's see. I don't have a treat for you, boo.
There we go. Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm going.
They can't even see your big head, man. Yeah, we just finishing up this house, coloring it. Ain't that right, Nani? I'm gonna show you guys what we've done so far.
Here you go, guys. This is what I did. I did this all, like all. I did these. I did all of this.
She finished that.
I
Still need to finish coloring the gingerbread man.
Yeah.
As you can see up here, it's kind of unfinished, but Kim kind of scribbled across like this part. So I kind of try to design it and fix it up. You want out?
We can't color inside of here because there's no like anything to color. It's just like all wallpaper.
Wallpaper?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like wallpaper.
No doubt.
Guys, y'all see me? Oh, I'm right here, guys. I'm sorry my hair is crazy right here. I said I wouldn't like this. Well, guys, the battery is about to die, so let me show you what I did far. This is what I did far, so that
No,
is...
this is what you did so far, not what you did far.
I did this right here. I'm sorry I said that. So I did this right here, and Dad's finished this one. When I got 2 colors, and I'm finishing this, I did this, and I'm going to finish it tomorrow. I'm coloring, so I'm going to get this done for tomorrow, because tomorrow I do not have school. Today's Friday.
Okay.
Tomorrow's going to be Saturday.
Okay.
So that means no school day. And sometimes I have 2 days with no school day. Sometimes I have 3 days with no school day.
That's
That's
during breaks, right?
Yeah,
Because during most weeks, you have a whole week of school,
yeah,
which is 5 days. Unless there's a holiday.
yeah. If
If it's a holiday.
if it's a holiday, God, let me see, okay? Pause. So, let me say, so the holidays, I mean, I don't got no school. We just went to G Mommy and G Dad's house, but now we're home. It's a long way. I was like tired. I couldn't go to sleep.
Hey y'all, I'm about to edit a vlog, but before I do, ooh, the battery's about to die. I wanted to tell you guys about my new schedule on Saturdays, and I'm about to roll my hair back up. I always have used just coconut oil, and I just group a lot of pieces together like this. I'm not gonna like do the whole thing over again. The only rough day I have sleeping with these rollers is gonna be the first day, not the other days. But anyway, I have started doing Sabbath days on Saturday. So I work 6 and I rest heavily on 1. So I don't post on social media. I don't get on social media. I spend time with my family and in worship. Sometimes I work out, sometimes I don't. CJ and I usually like order out and stuff like that, but this weekend we're not. Inconsistent with our weight loss goal, so we're not eating out this weekend. So the whole purpose of me saying all of this is to let you guys know that we won't be posting tomorrow, which is Saturday, but we will be vlogging, and you guys will see what we like to do on our rest day on Sunday. So it'll be posted on Sunday. So just want to let you know that. I'm about to finish wrapping his hair up and head on to bed after I edit this vlog. Bye.